What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching today, and I'm just gonna show y'all how to do a quick $30 sleigh. Yes, $30 for this hair. So y'all know I'm a flight attendant, right? And I just been wanting to do something quick and easy, something I can just throw in my hair because they call me and I have 2 hours to get to work. And lately I just been wearing this like raggedy bun every day actually, and it's been real sad. So I'm like, I want to experiment with wigs, but I didn't really want to get like a super expensive one first because what if I don't like it, you know what I mean? So I went to the beauty supply, found this $30 wig. Let me see, what's the name of it? Okay, this is her name. Well, where's her name? It doesn't say her name. Ah, yes it does. Okay, this is her name. Darica model. So I just got it from the beauty supply and I really like it. Now this is not something that I would suggest for like a long term or anything like that because it is synthetic hair, but for a quick, like, I just want to throw this on. It actually feels pretty nice. I really like it. I'm feeling myself a little bit. Y'all feeling it? So I did have to, I'm gonna show y'all everything I did later in the video, but I had to, you know, pluck the part a little bit, slick my edges down, create a little bit of baby hairs. But what y'all think? Y'all like it? So stay tuned for the rest of the video and I will show you how to get this $30 sleigh. Okay, so let's get straight into the tutorial. So basically I'm just kind of showing you what it looks like before. There is a part already there. It just does not look how I want it to look. Curly hair, but yeah, the part is, it's not quite there yet, so we're gonna fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna use some tweezers. I'm going to wet the top of the hair just a little bit, not too much, just to lay down the hairs and just kind of comb it out, lay it flat. And then I'm going to go in with the tweezers and kind of pluck right along that line that you see and just clear it up a little bit. Just make it, just make the part more clear, basically. I mean, it doesn't look so bad on the mannequin head, but when you put it on, it does not look good. So I'm just going to go along the area and just pluck, and then you'll see that I kind of start pulling the hairs out with my hand. I'm just using the tweezers to, you know, grab the few hairs that I want, and then I just kind of yank it out because it's just a lot quicker, honestly. So now, as you can see, that part is way more clean, looks a lot better. And then I want to show you on the mannequin head. I did start freaking out at that point because the part kind of looked big, but when I put it on, it really doesn't look bad. Okay, so now we're going in, and as you can see, the hairline is really full, and most people's hairline is not that full, especially not mine. So I'm going to go ahead and pluck it. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull the hair back, though, just so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So now I had to put the T-pins in to kind of hold it down. And I was using the tweezers, but it's easier to just kind of pull them out. And I'm just plucking randomly. Don't try to go too crazy on one spot. You don't want it to look bald. Then I'll kind of go in and make a part so that I'm not only doing the front, but you kind of get in there too. So I make a slight part. I did show you to compare the two, and then I needed to go in a little bit more, so that's what I'm doing. So these are the braids that I didn't complete them, but it's just the top, and then I did a second layer because that's what was easiest for how long my hair was. Now I laid down my hair, I put my wig cap on. I did get a new cap on purpose because that looks more like a scalp. Laid my hair down with the Gots to Be gel. It's more like glue, but it is gel. So now for the fun part. So now I'm just trying to get the wig on, and there are combs. So I forgot to mention there are 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back. And there is an adjustable band in the back. So I already adjusted that to my head, put the combs in. So now it is on there and it is pretty secure, but this being, you know, my first time really wearing wigs, I want to use the Got to Be gel as like a glue, and I'm gonna kind of lay it down on my edges and lay the wig down right there. And then I'm just going to use my blow dryer on low but cool air, just to make sure the glue is dry and you know, so that it'll actually stay down. And I'm just gonna kind of do that along the rest of my hair. So now I'm going in and trying to get those edges. So these are the baby hairs that kind of came on the wig already. I believe I did cut a few extra little baby hairs in there. I forgot to film that part. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a swoop just to make it look a little more natural, because, you know, a lot of times it's not like forehead and then hair. I mean, sometimes, but not on my head. So give myself some baby hairs, and now I'm just gonna kind of brush it out, and we are done. Just kidding. So even though in the camera you really can't tell, but I wanted to add some of my foundation to my part, just to make it blend a little bit better. Especially I'm going to be wearing some makeup today, so I wanted to really blend in with my scalp and my face. So I'm kind of blending that out right now and just making sure it matches along the way. And then I didn't like how high the hair was sitting. So I'm going to use my flat iron and just kind of lay it down. Just lay the hair down a little bit. Make it a little bit flatter on the top, just to make it look a little more natural. And then after that, we are done. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video. I will have more videos coming soon. I do have a natural hair video that I want to show you guys. And I'm really excited about it because I haven't done this yet. So it's going to be my first time trying it, and I'll show you guys and hopefully you like it. But stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And if you hit the bell, you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. So then you know when the next video comes out. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. But I really like this. I'm feeling myself. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos. Spread love and positive vibes. Bye.